Yeah.
Okay. So guys, first of all, welcome. We have with us Mr. Sharad Junjunwala from Kolkata, and I'll wait exactly for 1 minute before I actually start the introduction, so that all the people who are waiting can actually join on the Facebook session. So till people are joining in, let me first welcome Mr. Junjunwala, and let me also tell everyone that this is an absolutely different session than what we've ever had. Okay, we've only been having sessions on surgeries. We've only had sessions on different procedures of IVF, and I'm extremely honored, and I want to thank Mr. Junjunwala for accepting my invitation on the first visit, on the first go itself. You know, it was I had sent him one Twitter message, and he very graciously accepted this invitation to speak to all of us. He knows that all of us are doctors. Okay, almost 8,500 of us, we are all doctors, and listening to an expert in a completely different field, I think it is going to be a very good Friday evening to learn, from himself. And I'm sure the pearls of wisdom which are going to be imparted today are going to help us create a good psyche around investment, around stock markets, what to do, what not to do, and all these things. And let me also tell you that
The most important thing is what not to do.
what not to do exactly. And let me also tell you, Mr. Junjunwala, as I told you, he resides in Kolkata. For any one of you who wishes to contact him after the session, all right, he is available on his Twitter handle. He also has his own YouTube channel. Any one of you who is interested can subscribe. He puts up videos, very cryptic videos. Okay, I tried to follow some of the videos. Most of them were sort of bouncers, but those are very good videos. I believe those are very good videos. They have very good background music. I'll tell you that much. There is always a Hare Krishna chanting going on in the background music. So those are very good YouTube videos, and he puts them up once in a week, and he tries to give some messages about what he thinks about the overall picture, of the economy and of the stock market and everything, with very nice examples. Okay, so I sort of, for a common man, I think it is very good. So thank you, Mr. Junjunwala, for that initiative which you are doing for all the people. And Mr. Junjunwala himself has been in the industry of stock market over the last 28 to 30 years, and he comes from a generation. All the people, his grandfather and his Nanaji, both of them, Dadaji and Nanaji, both of them have been founder members of the Kolkata Stock Exchange. Okay, so you know what lineage Mr. Junjunwala comes from. So before I start, let me please thank Mr. Junjunwala so much. Thank you, sir. It's been very sweet of you.
My privilege, actually. It is my privilege. You took, you took a lot of time in introducing a very small man. आपका एक, as you said, it's all about doctors. So doctors, I have very high regards for doctors because of kind of whatever you do for the society. And as you said, I also have a social media presence in Twitter and YouTube. So I have my presence only for the retail. It's my intention is also to serve the society at large.
Correct.
And we will be discussing on this why and how, because
Correct.
Everyone, it's a fact that everyone loses in the stock market. So I just try to
Correct.
add my 1% to it, so that if someone can get benefit from that, that's it.
Correct.
So we are doing,
Correct.
we all here, your doctor fraternity and probably me as a just a small time trader, we have the same motto, serving the society.
Correct. Thank you. Thank you, first of all. So please accept our sincere thanks. And yeah, we have a lot of people who have joined already. So let me please start without wasting any time. We all know that Mr. Junjunwala is a very well-known expert as far as something called as GAN method of trading in stock markets is concerned. Okay. So Mr. Junjunwala, I'm going to ask you some questions which are probably going to be very dumb, but please try and answer them. They are going to be at the first standard level for you. Okay. So you've come from such a rich lineage into the stock market, correct? You must be probably at your dinner table, at your lunch table. Everybody in the home probably must be discussing something about the stock market, correct? Now, despite having such good information, knowledge, you know, your grandparents must have taught you so many things about the experiences which they have had and all these things. What prompted you? What sort of motivated you to get into this type of studies of the GAN system of trading? And please introduce what is the system of trading to all of us, because many of us only know the basics. We only know that there was one Mr. William Gann, who is known to be a very successful trader, and he was in the United States. But if you can elaborate on this, it will be good for the audience.
Well, thank you for the introduction. I start. So this is, it is not that, you know, we always have a discussion about stock market at home. My grandfather, you know, was in the stock market, and he left stock market in 1972, 71, 72, after the depression of 1970. After the depression of 1970, so he left stock market. So from my paternal side, my grandfather left stock market, and there was a gap. My father is a qualified engineer, was a qualified engineer. I lost him unfortunately this August. He was a qualified gold medalist IIT Kharagpur engineer. So he went for his studies in engineering. And to me, again, I did my studies as a CA, CFA and cost. So I am 11th CFA of India, something like that. So I have that finance background. But you know what happens is, I belong to that, you know, 90s wala generation of Marwadi in Calcutta, that too in Calcutta. So what happens, कि लड़का अगर क्लास 10, 11, 12 में चला गया, so morning school college है, means you, even if you are getting over by 12, so you need to go to someone's office. आप घर पे नहीं बैठ सकते. It is not like आज का generation where even if you are going 3 hours or 4 hours of college or something like that, you are free to roam around everywhere. हमारा क्या था कि मेरा my school timing 11, 12. I'm talking about 11 and 12. So that was, you know, morning 7 o'clock to 12 o'clock, 11:40. So I was expected to be in office by 1 o'clock. And that office, since my father has a service background, so whose office to go? So I used to go attend my maternal grandfather's office. That was stock market. That was stock market. So he was also a founder member of Calcutta Stock Exchange. That is my Nana ji. तो मेरे नाना, तो मेरा ट्रेनिंग वो 2-3 साल जो हुआ वो मेरे नाना जी के ऑफिस में हुआ. एंड दैट ट्रेनिंग इज नॉट ट्रेनिंग, इट इज जस्ट डिसिप्लिन. आपको 1 बजे ऑफिस आना है, भले ही आप आओ, नाश्ता करो, चाय पियो, कुछ भी करो, बट आपको ऑफिस अटेंड करना है और आपको ऑफिस का एम्बियंस देखना है, एटमॉस्फेयर देखना. करेक्ट. ये क्या है ना, ये ज्ञान साहब भी बोलते हैं, मैं अपने आएंगे इस लाइन पे, बट इस कड़ी से मैं जोड़ देता हूं. You know the most primitive business, what is that most primitive business to your knowledge? I'm asking you. No, I don't know. बनिया का दुकान, एक बनिया का दुकान is the most primitive. Correct. You know, आटा, दाल, चीनी, चावल बेचना है, so वो बाटर सिस्टम से किराना शॉप, तो बाटर सिस्टम से भी चले आ रहा है और कैसे भी चले आ रहा है. करेक्ट. अब आप अगर आप you know रिकॉल, इतने लोग देखेंगे इस वीडियो को, अगर वो रिकॉल करें, तो बनिया की दुकान में क्या होता है कि जब बनिया का बेटा तैयार होता है, तो चाहे पढ़ाई करे चाहे नहीं करे, उसको इंस्ट्रक्शन होता है कि दुकान पे आ जाना. करेक्ट. और वो सालों साल दुकान पे जाता है, उसको करने का कुछ नहीं होता. बराबर है. तो वो आटा दाल चीनी वजन कर रहा है या खाली देख रहा है अपने बाप को या पिताजी को या दादाजी को बैठे हैं, वो उसका काम कुछ नहीं होता है. वो सिर्फ आता है वहां पे रिलीजियसली 2, 4, 5 साल, कितने भी साल वो वहां पे, बट वो गल्ले पे नहीं बैठाया जाता उसको. गल्ला किसको बोलते हैं? द कैश काउंटर. करेक्ट. द अथॉरिटी, जो चेयर जिसको बोलते हैं. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द मोस्ट प्रिमिटिव बिजनेस. और आज के दिन में भी सबसे सबसे छोटा तो नहीं बोल सकते हैं, किसी को डिसरिस्पेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं, बट सबसे इजी बिजनेस जिसको बोलते हैं कि एक 10 रुपया में लेना है, 10 रुपये 50 पैसा 11 रुपए में बेचना है. सिंपल. बराबर. विदाउट विच रिक्वायर्स प्रोबब्ली नो लर्निंग है. जो इस बेटे का चल रहा है, वो 5 साल 6 साल आ रहा है, दुकान में बैठ रहा है, उसको करना कुछ भी नहीं है. करेक्ट. शायद 5-6 साल बाद उसके पिताजी या दादाजी बोलते हैं, चल आज तू गल्ले पे बैठ जा. जब उनको ये समझ में आता है कि नाउ ही कैन ही इज रेडी टू टेक द हैंडओवर, कि नाउ ही कैन डिसाइड, ही कैन एक्चुअली मैनेज कैश, ही कैन मैनेज अकाउंट्स. तो मेरा बैकग्राउंड भी वही है. मैं वो 4 साल 5 साल रोज खाली ऑफिस जाता था, किया कुछ भी नहीं, नो ट्रेनिंग. आई वाज नॉट, मतलब मेरा रिस्पांसिबिलिटी वाज 0.
करेक्ट,
बस डिसिप्लिन ये था कि 1 से 8 जाना है।
करेक्ट,
तो वहां पे स्टॉक मार्केट देखता था, सुनता था, समझता था, एंड फर्स्ट ट्रेड्स भी वहीं से चालू किया। आई
वाओ,
थिंक वे बैक इन 1991, 1990,
ओके,
91 या 91। सो यही मेरा बैकग्राउंड है। एंड ज्ञान कहाँ से सिस्टम में आ गया? GAN system was thrown to me. See,
ओके,
I again belong to a generation of 90s where Google was not there,
राइट,
where technology was not there. So we had this small Yahoo groups,
या,
Yahoo Messenger.
या,
बहुत जोर आए तो 2-4 साल बाद स्काइप मैसेंजर, स्काइप चैट्स आ गया था, दैट्स इट।
करेक्ट,
वहां पर मेरा एक कोई परिचित था, वो लुकिंग एट माय फाइनेंशियल बैकग्राउंड एंड my background of academic background, he threw
या,
me some papers and said कि boss इसको पढ़ के देखो, इसमें कुछ there is something about stock market but it is all in jargons and it is all in
हाँ,
formulas and it is something which is going over my head, so probably you are the best person to crack it.
करेक्ट,
So it was thrown, and he was a customs officer, he was in DRI, so he probably got through from some कोई
कहाँ,
foreign traveler या किसी से कुछ ना कुछ उसका or one of his foreign visits, he gave those papers to me, and
हाँ,
that is, and उसके बाद भी मेरा कोई interest नहीं था, but he used to continuously on, whenever we used to be on Yahoo Messenger, he used to be poke me, देखा
हाँ,
देखा देखा देखा। तो
हाँ,
I used to respect him equally, and then I at time खोला देखा, and there was something about time cycle, वो time के ऊपर और कुछ कहीं ना कहीं तार जुड़ने लग गए। वो जब तार जुड़ने लग गए तो it was a lengthy process of learning and unlearning, because most of the things which are available on GAN is crap. There is a very old
ओके,
saying, there is a very old saying also, which that anything sells in the name of GAN.
अच्छा, ओके,
Anything sells in the name of GAN. आप GAN के नाम पे, it is something like तंत्र विद्या, it's like cryptic है ना, जो चीज something something कुछ वैसा knowledge हो तो आप सामने वाले को भी नहीं पता, आपको भी नहीं पता, आप कुछ भी बेच दो उसको। So
करेक्ट,
worldwide it is known that anything sells in the name of GAN. So this is so I was coming across so many things which were actually not GAN. So that process took a lot of time. That it was learning and unlearning, because whatever I have learned was wrong. Then again relearning, getting something fresh. Then came the era of this PDF downloads and Google and
sir,
all
there is
those
a
things.
request that you should be little louder, that's it, just a little louder, sir, your voice is on the lower side.
Okay. I think it is because of this mic. Chalo, I think.
Yeah, now it's better.
Am I audible?
Yeah, it's better now, sir.
Okay. So this is how GAN study came to me, and I went into this. I started diving into this knowledge. That's it.
Okay.
That answers your question.
Yeah, the other thing which sort of intrigued me, because let me please recommend everyone this thing, that ever since I started speaking to Mr. Junjunwala, it's been I think around 10 to 12 days. Okay.
Yeah.
And he told me that, okay, you want to ask me certain questions regarding this, so you need to read this book. I'm just sharing this book with everyone. This book is called as The Truth of the Stock Tape.
The Stock Tape.
Yeah. So this is a book which Mr. Junjunwala has recommended to me and to a novice like me. So I'm just going to borrow one line from what I understood. See, the book states, so you can verify, and then I want you to answer on that. Okay, how true is that? So the book states that 99% of people who put their money in the stock markets eventually fail, and there is only 1% of the people who make money out of it. That is one line. And second line is, as doctors, I'll put everything on the onus as doctors. As doctors, all of us are consultants, most of us out here. So practically, we've spent around 5.5 years doing our MBBS, and after that, around 3.5 to 4 years doing our specializations into separate fields. So we've spent close to 10 years of our youth in trying to study a particular system of the body. So let's assume I'm a gynecologist, so I study the female body, and I've spent across approximately 10 years of my life doing that. And after that, we are allowed to start, the government gives us a license to practice, and after that, we consult patients and we charge money and we earn money and all these things. So likewise, Mr. GAN has also stated that majority people who enter in the stock market, they don't have so much learning. They enter with a view that, chalo, bhakti train mein baith jao, they'll get something out of it. What is your inference and what is your message to everyone regarding these two statements?
first about I will talk just a minute about this book. This
Yeah.
book was this book was written in 1923.
Yeah.
That is almost 100 years back.
Correct.
Okay. This is the first book ever written by a trader on stock market.
Okay.
So that is the importance of this book. So we don't have any knowledge about any book pre 1923 written on stock markets. Let us
Correct.
be very clear. Okay.
This is the first guy and the first book.
Yes. So for me and for every trader, I suggest this is Bhagavad Gita of trading.
Correct.
This book is Bhagavad Gita. For me, it is Bhagavad Gita for trading, as far as trading is concerned.
Correct.
So now, when do we call any book Bhagavad Gita? When it has been stood by the time, and 100 years down the line, also every line is true.
Correct. It answers all your questions.
It answers all your questions, and you cannot defy even 500 years. Like Bhagavad Gita is probably thousands of years, but still till today there is not a single comma, full stop. You can say no, 5,000 years down the line this doesn't apply anymore.
Correct.
So it will apply till the moon and the sun.
Correct.
So
correct.
So is now you have referred to two lines of this book. First, 99% of the people lose money. You can question it to yourself. Is it not true till today or today? Today also same thing. बोलते हैं ना, कहावत है हमारे स्टॉक मार्केट में कि अगर आप ट्रेडिंग करते हो तो आपको कोई बेटी नहीं देगा. Means you will not get married from a good family until unless the other guy is also a trader family or something like that. So this message, ये जो प्रोफेशन है ये बदनाम हो चुका है. ये बदनाम प्रोफेशन है. क्यों बदनाम क्यों है? बदनाम सिर्फ इस बहुत सिंपल रीजन के लिए, बिकॉज पीपल लूज मनी हियर. Still today, 95% to 97% people lose money. They come here and they lose money. So whatever is written is absolutely correct. And today also it is prevalent. Your second question, which actually answers the first question also. First part of the question, that is about the study. So why Gann himself in the chapter, I'm not carrying that, otherwise anyone reading on this book will get this answer also, that he only says why. Have you ever asked to yourself why 99% of the people lose money and the entire money goes to the 1%? Because see, it's a zero-sum game. It is a zero-sum game. Ultimately, if someone is losing, somebody is gaining.
Correct.
Someone is gaining. So if 99% people are losing, that means 1% is taking the entire loss of that 99% like of the population of the traders. So whoever is earning humongous.
Yeah.
Let us be very clear, because आप चाहे एक बूंद डालो चाहे थोड़ा थोड़ा करके लाके लॉस करो, but जो आदमी कमा रहा है वो बड़ा रुपया कमा रहा है. And we have got loads of example for that. I will not name anyone, but there are loads of examples for that. Okay.
Correct.
Why? The Gann himself answers, and he has actually talked about this topic in length, because he also wanted to educate, like Bhagavad Gita. It is all about education of the generations. Gann का ये किताब लिखने के पीछे भी एक ही मकसद था. The only motive behind writing this book, 1923, this particular book, was educating people. And sharing the psychology of markets, as simple as that. So in this book only he has mentioned that it is the only reason, and one of the most important reason, is for any other profession, be it engineer. He has named engineers,
lawyers,
doctors, lawyers, and he has gone to the extent that they spend any time between 4 to 5 years or 6 years first learning the profession. And then using the same techniques and doing, within inverted commas, practice.
Correct.
They practice. And still, even after 20 years of practice, still use the term practice. You never say that you are, none of the other term is used for engineers, for doctors, or for lawyers. Even for lawyers, they say we are practicing.
Yeah.
So that means till the time you die, even a 90-year-old doctor will say that I am still practicing.
Correct.
he has never attained that level where where he will claim that now I am God.
Correct.
So but stock market is the only profession where people come overnight and they will claim that they know everything about it.
Yeah.
So now I will link the first thing, but a small story which I shared with you, that kirana ka dukan.
Correct.
See, kirana ka dukan is the most primitive business, the easiest business, which actually requires no study, nothing which is very great knowledge. Still,
Correct.
there is an entry cost. The son has paid 4-5 years of entry cost. He spent. Tell me one किराना का दुकान पे एक बेटा आके पहले दिन से बोलेगा चलो गले पे बैठ जाओ, can he run the shop? He cannot run the shop. Even if it is for to selling, एक दाल बेचना है, चावल बेचना है, उसको दाम पता नहीं होगा, कैसे बेचना है, क्या बेचना है, कहाँ से लाना है, क्लाइंट के संग कैसा बिहेव करना है, you know, because it's a shop. It's a shop. Yeah. So he is probably 5%, 10% the regular customers and clientele, but 95% are unknown. So that training is also part of training of that 5 years when he was coming to the shop and just observing. स्टॉक मार्केट में नहीं होता है ना ऐसा. आप स्टॉक मार्केट में 4 दिन 5 दिन आप सीएनबीसी देख लो, 10 दिन सीएनबीसी देख लो, एक ट्रेडर फ्रेंड हो जाए तो बहुत है. वो आपको रात को बोलेगा सर आज मैंने ये लिया था, देखो ये ऐसा हो गया, वो लिया था ये ऐसा हो, कल तू भी ले ले, आपके पास पैसा है, जितना पैसा है कल चालू कर लो, बस you become an expert. Yeah. Where have you invested that? You know, any business, this is how I also this is a very common thing which I share with everyone, that every business has an entry cost. Every business, every profession has an entry cost. If it is profession, you must have spent years of time studying first, acquiring knowledge, acquiring a proper degree, and then, you know, still after that, even for lawyers, they work as juniors. You also must have worked as apprentice, junior. I don't know what you call it, but medical college mein they work as juniors. Interns. So lawyers mein they are juniors to the seniors for years and years together. Then probably they, you know, start taking cases. Correct. Stock market में तो ऐसा नहीं होता है. Stock market में तो आप I think you get overnight knowledgeable. That is what Gann wanted to emphasize, that every business has an entry cost. And he has also told that the entry costs are by 2 or 3 methods. Very simple. First is time. Either you put time, like that kirana wala dukan, up time. Now time can be just by observation. Barabar hai. Can be just by observations. Best known people, even if you talk about W.D. Gann, before starting his own trading, was working as a junior in a stock exchange firm. He came to US, New York in late 1890s. But he started his own trading in 1904. 1909. He invested 10 years. Yes, 5, 7, 10 years, because he was a farmer's son. So he had no background of stock market. Correct. So he came to New York. He was working as a junior for 5 times. And in fact, there are documentation in my research on W.D. Gann. I found evidence that his entire trip to, you know, as it is documented, that he came to Greece, Egypt, India. So all these trips, his you know, foray and his pursuit to knowledge, जिसके पीछे उसने बहुत रुपया खर्चा किया था उस टाइम में. You can imagine coming to Greece, you know, 1900s की बात कर रहे हैं. Correct. Pre-World War I. So that was sponsored by his broker. That was sponsored by his broker, because he did not have money. But he had that knack. He had that knack. बोलते हैं ना कि किसी के पास वो knack होता है. आप भले डॉक्टरी पढ़े नहीं हो, बट एक बहुत अच्छा मतलब चूंकि आपकी फ्रेटर्निटी, आपके लैंग्वेज में बोलता हूँ, प्रॉब्ली एक जूनियर जो आपके पास हो, लाइक अभी मेरा एक ऑपरेशन हुआ था, बहुत छोटा ऑपरेशन था, बट ऑपरेशन था. अब वो जो ओटी में जो ड्रेसिंग करने वाला होता है वो एक अलग आदमी होता है. मेरे नॉलेज में आया कि वो एक ड्रेसिंग, वो जूनियर होता है, वो डॉक्टर भी नहीं होता है. करेक्ट. वो ओटी में होता है, उसका एक्सपीरियंस उसको क्लोज टू डॉक्टर ले आता है. डॉक्टर नहीं करता है, वो छोड़ देता है उसके ऊपर. तो मेरा ऑपरेशन हुआ, उसके बाद वो ड्रेसिंग करने मेरे घर पे आता था, एंड ही वाज एज गुड एज अ डॉक्टर. उसको मामा बोलते हैं हमारी लैंग्वेज में. जो भी, but
correct.
but that also is a very respectable profession. Why?
बिल्कुल.
And probably you must be also respecting him because
Absolutely.
वो आपने शायद डॉक्टरी नहीं की थी, उसके पहले से वो स्टिच कर रहा है, और अब आप
बिल्कुल.
आ गए फिर भी वो स्टिच कर रहा है. वो शायद दो चीज आपको सिखा दे, डॉक्टर साहब ऐसे नहीं ऐसे कर.
बिल्कुल.
शायद. And what
शायद
is
नहीं,
that?
बिल्कुल. शायद नहीं, बिल्कुल.
So what is that? That is only because of experience. He is not qualified, but he has that knack. It is because of the observation.
Yeah.
आपने दिया ना एंट्री कॉस्ट, आपको या तो एंट्री कॉस्ट दो, और या तो फिर वो है एंट्री कॉस्ट जो सब लोग देते हैं. 99% पीपल गिव दैट एंट्री कॉस्ट. यू नो व्हाट इज दैट?
मनी.
मनी.
करेक्ट.
वो हमारे बंगाली में है ठेकले बुद्धि है. हिंदी में बोलते हैं धोखा खा के या गिरने से अपने आप बुद्धि आता है, या
अच्छा, ओके.
लॉस करो तो बुद्धि अपने आप आता है. तो
करेक्ट.
फिर 99% 90% पीपल डू दैट. तो शॉर्टकट में आते हैं, दे एंटर द स्टॉक मार्केट वाया शॉर्टकट.
या.
देन अल्टीमेटली देयर जर्नी बिकम्स लॉन्ग. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, क्योंकि मार्केट किसी को इतना शॉर्टकट देगा नहीं.
बराबर है.
हर बिजनेस और हर प्रोफेशन का एक एंट्री कॉस्ट होता है, एंट्री बैरियर होता है. दिखने में भले ही आपको स्टॉक मार्केट में दिखे कि कोई एंट्री बैरियर नहीं है, आप आ जाइए आराम से, बट आपको वहां पर टिका रहने के लिए, टू स्टे देयर, वो एंट्री कॉस्ट अपने आप आपकी लग जाएगी. बी इट मनी, बी इट टाइम. आई हैव सीन वेरी गुड, वेरी स्मॉल डीलर्स, हम लोग उसको ट्रेडर बोलते हैं, जो जस्ट सौदा पंच करता है, फोन पे ऑर्डर लेता है और पंच करता है. आई हैव सीन इन माय करियर ऑफ लास्ट 30-35 इयर्स जस्ट सिंपल स्टॉक मार्केट. वो जो ट्रेडर जो खाली फोन पे लेगा, बट उसका काम क्या होता है, मॉर्निंग 9 o'clock से लेके 3:30 तक वो टर्मिनल के सामने रहता है, उसका एक्सपीरियंस गेन कर लेता है वो. एंड आई हैव सीन देम टर्निंग इनटू वेरी गुड ट्रेडर्स.
ओह, ओके.
या बिकॉज़ दे अंडरस्टैंड दैट पल्स ना, दे अंडरस्टैंड द स्क्रीन, दे अंडरस्टैंड द स्क्रीन, दे हैव डेवलप्ड दैट इंट्यूशन. आप देखो इस बुक में फर्स्ट पेज, फर्स्ट चैप्टर इज अबाउट टेप रीडिंग, वेयर द सेकंड पैराग्राफ सेज अबाउट इंट्यूशन.
या.
Does one need to trade on intuition? That is the second paragraph. This book, first chapter, second paragraph, intuition word use किया है. तो इनका इंट्यूशन इतना स्ट्रांग हो जाता है ना ऑब्जर्वेशन से.
करेक्ट.
That is it. So ये दोनों जो आप बोल रहे हो, ये दोनों चीज आज भी प्रिवेलेंट है, और इसका रीजनिंग ये है कि वो एक एंट्री कॉस्ट है. या तो आप पढ़ाई कर लो, ट्रेनिंग ले लो, ट्रेनिंग करके आप प्रॉपर समझ के उसके बाद आप इसमें आओ.
बराबर.
आप या तो उसको एक नॉर्मल ट्रेडर के हिसाब से ही मार्केट में एंटर करो, और कुछ साल सिर्फ मार्केट को ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो, एंड यू आल्सो लर्न एज अ ट्रेडर. आप सिंपल ट्रेडर हो, कोई भी XYZ ब्रोकिंग फर्म में आप सिंपल ट्रेडर हो, और आपका काम सिर्फ इतना है कि फोन पे आपको ऑर्डर मिलेगा, आप उसको एग्जीक्यूट करना है, सिंपल F1 F2, और कुछ काम नहीं है आपका. बट उससे आपको मार्केट की साइकोलॉजी भी समझ में आती है, क्योंकि वो क्लाइंट जो आपका खरीद रहा है, कब खरीद रहा है, कब उसका ग्रीड और फियर उसके ऊपर हावी हो रहा है, वो कब बेच रहा है, वो सब कुछ आप ऑब्जर्व कर लेते हो. सो यू ऑल्सो नॉट ओनली अंडरस्टैंड द मार्केट, यू ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड द मेजर थिंग विच इज द साइकोलॉजी.
या.
और मार्केट में साइकोलॉजी प्लेज 90%. टाइम और प्राइस, ये सारी कुछ जो है, ये सब साइकोलॉजी को फॉलो करते हैं. और इसीलिए आपने मेरे वीडियोस के बारे में बोला, मैं वीडियो में सिर्फ यही बोलता हूँ, see the market from the other side of the table. आप दूसरे साइड पे आके देखो कि बाजार में जो हो रहा है वो सबको दिख रहा है, बट वो हो क्यों रहा है. तो आपको मार्केट की साइकोलॉजी समझ में आ जाए. एंड दिस बुक इज ज्ञान. अपने नेक्स्ट में इसके आगे बढ़ते हैं, उसके पहले जस्ट डिवाइड कर देता हूं ज्ञान की स्टडी को. ज्ञान का स्टडी दो पार्ट में है. एक वो प्राइस और टाइम के बारे में है, which goes into technicals, mathematics and everything. और एक जो मैं समझता हूँ 70% ज्ञान is about psychology, and this is the Bhagavad Gita. This book has nothing. इसमें कोई स्टॉक मार्केट के प्राइस के बारे में नहीं लिखा है, मूव के बारे में नहीं लिखा है, बट सिर्फ इस बुक को अगर कोई पढ़ ले, जो मैं क्लेम करता हूँ और हर लोगों को समझाता हूँ, सिर्फ इस बुक को कोई पढ़ ले, समझ ले और सीख ले. तीन चीज है, सिर्फ पढ़ना नहीं है, पढ़ना भी है, समझना भी है, सीखना भी है, और सिर्फ इस बुक को इंप्लीमेंट कर ले. और मैं डॉक्टर साहब आपको बोलता हूं, आप कल इस बुक के साइकोलॉजी को रीड करके आप चाहे क्रिकेट का सट्टा कर लो, चाहे स्टॉक मार्केट का सट्टा कर लो, कोई भी सट्टा कर लेना, दुनिया में कोई भी प्रेवलेंट सट्टा कर लेना, बट वो इसके पैरामीटर्स के अंडर में होना चाहिए जो इस बुक में लिखा है.
Correct. It should
be a
not
winner.
skip these parameters.
You will be a winner.
Okay.
आपको स्टॉक मार्केट का दरकार नहीं है, आपको क्या चल रहा है, कौन सा चल रहा है, क्या चल रहा है. इसमें जो रिस्क मैनेजमेंट लिखा हुआ है, इसमें जो साइकोलॉजी लिखा हुआ है, इसमें जो सिर्फ माइंडसेट लिखा है. दिस बुक इज अबाउट द माइंडसेट. आप सिर्फ उस माइंडसेट को आप समझ के इंप्लीमेंट करके आप कोई भी सट्टा करने जाओ, बीट स्मॉल स्टॉक मार्केट, सट्टे बाजार में स्टॉक मार्केट इज अ स्मॉल पार्ट.
Correct.
You will be a winner. You will be a winner. Believe
Wow.
me.
I think what is very important for people to learn, for all the members of our group, from this entire last 15 minutes of what Mr. Junjunwala just spoke, is that quite a lot of times we've seen that over the lockdown, there are a lot of WhatsApp groups which have sprung up, a lot of Telegram groups which have sprung up, where everybody is a homegrown technical analyst. Everybody is a homegrown stock market champion. And you might be right for 10 days, but that one day which you are going to go wrong, that one day's wrong could probably shake up your confidence for the remaining 10 days as well. And I think going through such books, going through the understanding of the market, is going to help a lot of people in fine tuning their decisions, as long as they are doing it independently. है ना, Mr. Junjunwala? I think that's a
absolutely.
Okay. So if we नहीं, sorry, please, no, you speak. No, you speak.
जैसे मैं छोटा सा इंस्टेंस चुके डॉक्टर्स फैटर्निटी है. लास्ट ईयर इन द लॉकडाउन, कोरोना में.
Sir, your voice went down.
Last year during lockdowns, in corona, a person like me self described डॉक्टर बन गया था, because घर पे अगर कोरोना आ गया है and you have gone through it, और या अगल बगल में अगर 10 लोगों को कोरोना के बारे में बात करते सुना है, और 4-5 आप ऑनलाइन वीडियोस देख लेते हो और सब कुछ कर लेते हो, यू बिकम सो कॉल्ड डॉक्टर. तो वो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप वही है ना.
करेक्ट.
आप अभी जो आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप या जो भी टेलीग्राम ग्रुप्स की बात कर रहे हो, ओवरनाइट दे हैव, तो ऐसा ही है ना, चलती में सब चलता है. जब कोरोना था तो कोरोना से रिलेटेड सारी चीजें चालू हो गई.
बराबर है.
मैं भी बोलने लगे, यार डॉक्टर को दिखाना जरूर है, बट डॉक्टर क्या ज्ञान देगा, उसके अलावा 10 ज्ञान प्लीज मेरे से भी ले ले, क्योंकि मैं भी बहुत जानता हूँ.
करेक्ट. सेम है. So coming back to this GAN thing which we were discussing, there are 2 or 3 sort of more questions which I thought if people know, it will be good as far as this GAN is concerned. When you read, you said that your study of GAN predominantly involves how the market psychology functions, and you yourself, I believe you told this to me, that you've invested around 7 to 8 years reading, or maybe 15 years reading about this various books, and backtracking it over several periods of time, that okay, did you understand, if your understanding was right, what was your correlation, let's say, with something which happened in 2000, I'm just giving an example.
Correct.
Then something which happened in 2010. Correct. Now in this, all these things, one question I want to ask you directly: how has it improved you in your philosophy about your stock market approach, and how has it affected you? Like one good thing also, which you think has been very good for you, and one bad thing also, which you think that okay, शायद अगर मैंने ज्ञान की इतनी पढ़ाई, इतनी मैंने अगर पढ़ाई नहीं की होती ना, तो मैं इतना cautious या इतना thoughtful या इतना strong नहीं होता. ऐसा कुछ तो होगा. Everything has a good thing and a bad thing.
I got your question.
Yeah.
So when this journey started, and the first time I had this pulse of time. See, GAN में psychology एक part है, as I said, but actually GAN is about more about time, the x-axis of the market. In market we have 2 axes, x-axis and y-axis. Simple. The price runs over time, over a period. So,
correct.
So people, 90-95% of the people, other than people who are from GAN background, are only concentrating on the price part of it. 100 के ऊपर गया, अरे तेजी आ गया.
Okay. Yeah. Support is that
support resistance? Yeah, support resistance.
Okay.
Something like, तो support या resistance है, इसको break कर गया तो अभी और तेजी है, अभी फिर नीचे आ गया तो मंदी है. GAN was one person who was talking about time. So in the first few years, जब starting में ये कीड़ा लगा, when this insect bit me on time, and I started having that उसको नॉट फाइंडिंग द राइट वर्ड, द किक, यू नो, उसको किक
Yeah.
नहीं बोल सकते, वो किक मिला जब कि अरे ये टाइम भी कुछ होता है, एंड यू नो इट इज वर्किंग, एंड इट इज वर्किंग.
Yeah.
दैट वाज एक पीरियड आया था, आई लॉस्ट ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी. मैं पहले नेगेटिव से चालू करता हूँ, नॉट द गुड पार्ट, यू, बिकॉज आपने दो क्वेश्चन पूछा था ना कि आपका अच्छा क्या है और खराब क्या है, तो मैं पहले खराब.
So even so, Mr. Junjunwala, even knowledgeable people lose money in the stock market. Like very knowledgeable people also lose money. Just to as a random question.
It is a part of this game. If anyone claims, if anyone on earth claims that he is from a stock market profession and he has never lost money,
okay, he is lying.
He's 1,000% liar.
Achha.
It simply can't happen. This is part of this game.
Okay.
You know, since you have this is the you know the soft part of a trader, loss. आप बोलते हैं दुखता नस. So as a doctor, I can as a doctor also I can ask you the same thing. Sir, आप doctor हैं and you are the best probably doctor in India, or probably you can refer one doctor who is the best in the world.
Yeah.
Does he has 100% success rate?
In a similar correlation we have it in our doctors, that when you are a doctor surgeon and if you say that you've not had a complication, that means you've not done surgery. Simple.
Simple. See, if this is a science, and Gann was the first person to correlate trading, stock market trading, as a science. We have not talked about W.D. Gann's background, but he was a 33rd degree Freemason. And 33rd degree Freemason is someone like Einstein. Einstein was also 33rd degree Freemason.
Right.
So we are talking about a person who was, you know,
genius.
Who was not genius. He was only, you know, 0.001% of this mankind.
Correct.
Only 0.001% of this mankind who had that kind of natural as well as that supernatural knowledge.
Correct.
As simple as that.
Correct.
So coming back to your question, but loss to part है. Now I'm coming back to मैं था कि initial part of my trading, जब ये कीड़ा काटा, when you know this time वाला kick आया, and I started enjoying it.
Yeah.
That gives a confidence, and that is not confidence. That gives us overconfidence, not confidence.
Correct.
And that was a time when, you know, say for example, if I am short on market, means I want the markets. Means I see the markets falling down, and I'm short on market. So and I've traded it on particular based on certain phenomenon, certain dates only, no price, certain dates, certain phenomenon, and certain price, certain time, and I'm going wrong.
Yeah.
But every day I am finding some justification to justify myself. Okay, आज नहीं हुआ ना, ये 3 दिन बाद ऐसा होने वाला है. अच्छा, अब ये 3 दिन नहीं हुआ ना, ये 7 दिन बाद तो ये पक्का ऐसा होने वाला है. 15 दिन बाद तो पक्का ऐसा होने वाला है. And that is the time when you blow up your account. कोई अच्छा ट्रेडर हो और अपना अकाउंट ब्लो अप नहीं किया हो, blow up means you start with a capital and one day you end with zero capital. Zero. I have not heard of any good trader who has not passed through this.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yes, this is also part of learning.
Okay.
Because that also trains you, that psyche of your mind, वो जो psychology है ना, how to handle that. सर, आप भी जब ऑपरेशन ओटी में जाते हो तो अलग अलग केसेस रहते हैं, अलग अलग कॉम्प्लिकेशंस रहते हैं. इनिशियल तो मैं भी श्योर हूं कि शायद फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन तो आपका भी शायद हाथ ऐसा कांपा होगा.
बिल्कुल.
तो अब आज के दिन नहीं कांपता है शायद, आज तो आप व्हाट्सएप चैट देखते देखते भी ऑपरेशन करके निकल जाओ. नहीं करते होंगे, बट शायद, मतलब दैट कॉन्फिडेंस.
करेक्ट. या आई नो
इट इज सिंपल लाइक अ ड्राइवर, यू नो, जब ड्राइविंग सीट पे बैठता है आदमी एकदम कंसंट्रेट होके फर्स्ट 15-20 1 ईयर 6 मंथ्स, बाद में क्या होता है, आज के दिन में आप देखो जो ड्राइवर्स हैं वो व्हाट्सएप चैट भी चल रहा है, फोन भी चल रहा है, गाना भी चल रहा है, सब कुछ चल रहा है.
करेक्ट.
बट गाड़ी भी फ्लुएंटली चल रही है. सो इट इज लाइक सेम थिंग. Trading is also a profession. People problem only is that people don't take it as a profession.
Yeah. And people take it as a side business. Is it true?
सर प्रॉब्लम यही है, और ये मेरे दादाजी का, नाना जी का ज्ञान था कि अगर आप साइड बिजनेस के जैसे इसको लेते हो तो ये बाजार बहुत इजीली आपको साइड कर देगा.
Okay.
If you don't respect this profession, if you don't respect this business,
Yeah.
मतलब anything which is side is always
You're gone.
side. You're gone.
Correct. Correct.
और इस बिजनेस में तो इस बिजनेस या इस प्रोफेशन या इस आप इसको नशा बोल लो या किक बोल लो, इसमें तो पैसा इन्वॉल्व है.
करेक्ट.
फाइनेंशियल, इट इज नॉट फॉर फन. इट इज, एक होता है कि भाई ठीक है आप कुछ साइड में करते हो, कुछ भी करते हो जस्ट फॉर फन, जहां पे आपका फाइनेंशियल लॉसेस लिमिटेड है या फाइनेंशियल लॉस नहीं है.
करेक्ट. करेक्ट.
यहाँ तो आपका फाइनेंशियल लॉस है. फाइनेंशियल सिंपली दिस इज प्रोपोर्शनेट टू योर फाइनेंस. मींस व्हाटएवर योर इन्वॉल्वमेंट इन स्टॉक मार्केट is proportional to your finance, as simple as that, because that is the reason it is called capital market. No capital, no capital market.
Correct.
As simple as that.
As simple as
capital,
that.
No capital market. So now coming back to your question, so initially that was a very bad patch where it gave a overconfidence. और आज भी आपके इस प्लेटफॉर्म से एक चीज बताता हूँ, since you mentioned about lot of astrologers, financial astrologers.
Yeah.
इसमें एक fraternity है जो financial astrologers की है. With very very high regards to them and due respect to them, लोग ज्ञान को भी financial astrology के संग compare कर लेते हैं. And there is a huge difference between financial astrology and ज्ञान.
Okay.
मैं किसी को अगर जानता हूँ या समझ रहा हूँ या शायद YouTube में कुछ साल 2, 5, 10 साल से देख रहा हूँ, वो पहले अगर अपने आप को एस्ट्रोलॉजर बोलता था, फिर फाइनेंशियल एस्ट्रोलॉजर बोलना चालू किया, आज के दिन में बड़ा बिंदास वो अपने आप को ज्ञान एक्सपर्ट बोलता है. उसको लगता है ज्ञान इज ओनली अबाउट फाइनेंशियल एस्ट्रोलॉजी.
करेक्ट.
एंड आई हैव सीन, मतलब एक्चुअली इट गिव्स मी पेन, बट आई हैव सीन द बेस्ट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स वर्ल्ड वाइड फेलिंग मिजरेबली. बिकॉज सी उनके पास बोलने के लिए कुछ फेनोमेनन्स होते हैं.
करेक्ट.
चांद, तारा, सूरज कुछ ऐसा हुआ है तो बाजार क्रैश करेगा. मे बी दे हैव देयर ओल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स, जैसा ज्ञान बोलता है कि ऐसा हुआ था इसलिए होगा, बट दे डोंट हैव द मेजर थिंग जो उनको सेफगार्ड कर सके, दैट इज रिस्क मैनेजमेंट.
या
स्टॉप लॉस. आप ज्ञान की पहली किताब में भी पढ़ोगे ना तो सेकंड चैप्टर से चालू हो जाएगा स्टॉप लॉस का डेफिनेशन.
करेक्ट.
तो आप कुछ भी फॉलो करो, आप चाहे फाइनेंशियल एस्ट्रोलॉजी कुछ भी, मैं बोला ना आपको, आप इस बुक को अगर फॉलो करते हो तो उसमें सब कुछ आ जाएगा कि इफ यू आर नॉट मैनेजिंग योर रिस्क, आप हॉर्स रेस भी करने जाओ ना, वहां पे भी एक नहीं हारोगे नहीं सर. वहां पे भी अगर आप डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करो और रिस्क मैनेजमेंट मेंटेन करो तो लॉ ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी तो वहां पे भी अप्लाई करेगा ना.
बराबर है.
तो आप जीत जाओगे. मैंने अच्छे लोगों को देखा है, वो बहुत मतलब प्रिमिटिव, जो अपने बच्चे 7 साल का 10 साल के बच्चे बचपन में खेला करते 7 अप 7 डाउन, उसमें भी अगर आप डिसिप्लिन से मेंटेन करो ना, नो लिमिट टेबल पे 1 का 2, 2 का 4, 4 का 8, तो लॉ ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी में आप जीतोगे.
करेक्ट. करेक्ट.
आपको डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करना होगा. तो सर स्टॉक मार्केट भी डिसिप्लिन मांगता है. एनी प्रोफेशन, बी इट डॉक्टर, एनी प्रोफेशन डिमांड्स डिसिप्लिन. और लोग बदनाम करते हैं प्रोफेशन को अपनी गलती के कारण, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट डिसिप्लिन.
करेक्ट.
और अब आते हैं आपका सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, द बेस्ट पार्ट इज जब आप बहुत शिद्दत से, जब अब ये 15 साल 16 साल पुरानी जर्नी हो गई मेरी ज्ञान को, एंड लास्ट 4, 5, 6 इयर्स में यू नो दिस किक. और मैं बोलता हूँ अच्छा पार्ट तो यही है कि सर आज आपके सामने बैठा हूँ, आप लोगों के सामने बैठा हूँ, ये रिकॉग्निशन मेरे को इसी के कारण मिला ना. तो फाइनेंशियली क्या हुआ नहीं हुआ, या हाउ इट एक्चुअली अफेक्टेड माय स्टॉक मार्केट करियर, बट at least it last 5-7 years on my social media platform, calling all tops and bottoms precisely. So that has at least given me this respect which probably I've got. I am a very small person from a small town. I'm not supposed to be sitting in front of you. So at least the good part what GAN gave me is this, and I'm really honored for that.
No, I think if you are on the other side of table, everyone is small, you know. For
मैं मानता हूँ उस चीज को, पर आज आपका क्वेश्चन था कि आप what benefit you got from GAN.
करेक्ट.
तो अब बेनिफिट फाइनेंशियली और ये सब में तो मेजरिंग टूल्स लगा के तो कोई फायदा है नहीं, बिकॉज बियॉन्ड एक्स एवरीथिंग इज बेस्ड. सो ऑल एवरीथिंग इज डन. तो अब उसके बाद क्या, उसके बाद अब now it is giving back to the society. So that is my
Right.
that is how I started my social media platform on Twitter 4-5 years back. And
Right.
last few months back, I think from 2021 January I started my YouTube foray.
Yes.
चलो
Yes.
ठीक है, अब थोड़ा सा एजुकेट मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग विच इज क्रिप्टिक. सो जब तक आदमी पढ़ के नहीं मेरे पास आए या समझ के नहीं आए, आई कैन करेक्ट हिम लाइक सेम एज योर्स. यू कैन नॉट स्टार्ट एंड यू नो आई मैं चाहे जितना भी अच्छा हूँ, आपको जितना भी पसंद आ जाऊं, मैं आपको बोलूं सर मेरे को सर्जरी सिखा दो, आप सिखा पाओगे? सो इट इज समथिंग लाइक दैट. मेरे पास आज के दिन में प्रॉब्लम यही है ट्विटर पे और सोशल मीडिया पे, आई गॉट हंड्रेड्स ऑफ रिक्वेस्ट एवरी डे, सर मेरे को ज्ञान सीखना है. बट एक बेसिक नॉलेज, सी आप लोगों में भी डॉक्टरी लाइन में भी वही होता है ना, एक मिनिमम एमबीबीएस होता है, उसके बाद यू गो फॉर स्पेशलाइजेशन.
करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट.
तो आप एक कोई ट्रेडर हो या कोई हो जिसका बैकग्राउंड हो, वो अगर आए तो समझ में भी आता है कि चलो ठीक है, he has seen all ups and downs of market and now he wants to foray into GAN or you know specialization.
Correct. I want to ask you one more question, which is more related to the psychology or more related to how people look at stock market. So,
correct.
For example, I will tell you how I look. Okay, and I could be grossly wrong. So, for any viewer who is listening to this, please, no, for all the viewers who are listening to this, please don't take this as an inspiration at all. I am one of the worst guys. I might not even know the numbers correctly. Okay, so it could just a situation like when stock market, the coronavirus started, every country's stock market I think went down, no? And I think even India's stock market went from, I think Nifty went from around 13,000, 14,000 or 10,000 or something, 12, and it 12,000. Yes, it went from 12,000 and it went to around 7,500. 7,500. And in this situation, obviously that was a time when lockdown was going to happen and all these things. So we commonly listen to our friends talking or you know sharing के मेरा तो जो पोर्टफोलियो जो मैंने इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है ना, पोर्टफोलियो वाला, वो 50% हो गया डाउन. यू नो मेरा जो वो चल रहा है अपना, क्या बोलते हैं वो म्यूचुअल फंड को, SIP. मेरा जो SIP चल रहा है उसका जो कुछ आता है रिटर्न वैल्यू, NAV, या उसका वो NAV वैल्यू आता है, वो भी 30% हो गया. अब नाउ दिस इज होपलेसनेस एंड यू नो आई वांट टू गेट आउट बिकॉज कोरोना वायरस आ गया, इंडिया लॉकडाउन में है. जस्ट दिस इज व्हाट I thought, okay, I saw. But when the country was quiet, like when the lockdown was going on and everything was shut down, something happened to the stock market, and stock market again started to climb up, you know. And in that lockdown period, the stock market climbed up because probably it foresees the future कि भाई मार्च में तो इंडिया खुल जाएगा तो चलो तब ओके हो जाएगा, you know, something like that. In this type, like what the question which I'm coming to is, when you are a student of GAN studying or when you are a student of GAN teaching, and when the whole world is fearful around you, does your reading or does your studies help you to be calm? And does your studies help you to be fearful when everyone is super excited? Like when everyone thinks that, bus, abhi to, I think today was Nifty at highest 15,000. आज निफ्टी 15,000 था ना, 14,000
नहीं 14,800 या
आपने मुझे कुछ 15,000 बोला था अभी रिसेंटली, कुछ तो अभी था ना, एक आध दिन पहले कुछ 15,000 था ना आपने बताया,
लास्ट वीक. हाँ,
तो व्हेन निफ्टी इज एट 15,000, मान के चलो वो तो डबल हो गया 7,000 से, है ना. So when everybody is super excited, okay, and does this philosophy of your studies help you to avoid this emotional swings so that you think separate from the market and it helps you to you know do your things better? Does that what GAN help you to do?
Actually this is the only thing which GAN helps me. I don't know, this is you started this question saying कि बहुत layman question है, I may be grossly wrong, but this is the most apt question you could have ever asked. Okay. About GAN, because okay. this is the only thing which GAN probably points to, because okay. see this crash of March 2020, I was prepared for it. I had tweeted about it. So this coronavirus, probably one tweet I think I did in January 2020, that
Okay.
you know,
Something
come
can
to,
happen.
no, come 2021, February, yeah, February. It was February predominantly. Now I have shifted the date to May, but till February. That come February, you will look in the mirror and probably dust yourself and thank Almighty that you are alive. I never knew that this is something like, this kind of a pandemic or something is going to strike, because this is the last thing which anyone can actually, किसी के दिमाग में आएगा.
Correct.
Why a sane human being will ever think that there will
Yeah.
be loss of lives in lakhs or
Correct.
millions across the globe? So that
Correct.
was the last thing actually which came in my mind. But I was prepared for that kind of a scenario
Oh,
where
okay.
where there is a global chaos, global crisis.
Oh,
What
okay.
I was probably foreseeing was, because that time February, bazaar bhi garam tha. We were having some skirmishes between India, Pakistan. There was something happening with China and US also. So I was probably thinking that kahin kuch waisa, kuch ek chota, 3, 4, 5 days of engagement and things get upset. But
Yeah.
I never thought that this kind of a pandemic will be there. Now
Correct.
2021, when everyone is saying now everything is going to be, it is going
Perfect.
to,
Normal.
no, it is going to go down. As far as stock market is concerned, people are talking about overvaluations, people are talking about blah 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 blah. But right from the start of 2021, I am not bearish. जिसको बोलते हैं ना कि I am not very bullish, neither I am bearish. I am not looking at a crash kind of situation in 2021. Very simple. On your platform, on the first time I am sharing this view, that I am not looking any crash kind of situation into 2021. This is the time cycle, because see, GAN, as I said, it is time. It is about time.
Correct.
And what is time? It is very simple time cycle. So there is a repetition of past. As GAN ने अपने, जैसे it's written in Bible, no, that had been, that shall be, what that had been done will be done. There is
Correct.
nothing new under the sun.
Correct.
There is nothing
Correct.
new under the sun.
Correct.
This is what the Bible says. I may be,
Yeah.
misplaced one or two words here and there
Yeah.
in this quote, but this is what, and our Bhagavad Gita also same says. आपने महाभारत
Yeah.
देखे ना भी सब लॉकडाउन में, मैं समय
हाँ.
हूँ.
Correct.
तो मैं समय हूँ, वो चक्का घूमता क्यों है?
Correct.
So
Correct.
what 2020 I was looking at was a year destined for loss of lives.
Correct.
Because that was a cycle which was coinciding with a particular cycle of first decade of 1900s.
Correct.
And it is very simple. It's a 90-year cycle, which GAN has also mentioned.
Okay.
Which he has mentioned that 90-year, in a 90-year cycle, things go, be it crop, be it, human like pandemic, इस तरह का चीज.
Yeah.
And जब ये pandemic हो गया, then probably we were talking about ना कि हाँ 1912 में शायद ऐसा कुछ हुआ था, एक pandemic हुआ था where crores of lives were lost pre World War I.
Yeah.
So that this is all about time cycle. और कुछ नहीं है. So this is the edge which I get a little bit about foreseeing the market. But वो जैसे मैंने आपको इसके पहले first half of the question में बोला था कि I am never over confident about it.
बराबर है.
Because जिस दिन मैं ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाऊंगा एंड आई से कि नहीं बस अब तो ये होना ही है और ऐसा होना ही है, मार्केट इज मास्टर. सो द डे यू स्टार्ट कमांडिंग थिंग्स टू मार्केट, get ready for the caning. Get ready for the caning. As simple as that. So being humble, but I know a little bit about what is in the foreseeable future, and that is if you have seen my videos also, whatever started, it's 7 day, I come every Friday evening, I just share small things, because ज्यादा बोलने से क्या होगा, लोग उस चीज को पकड़ के बैठ जाते हैं and they go overboard. Problem ये है, because I know the generation which is on YouTube is not my age. It is not my age, which is 50s or early 50s or whatever. I should not be.
I thought it
as
was
you
37.
said, I should not. Sorry. I should not have disclosed my age. So it is not predominantly my generation. It is a generation which is young generation, and they are young blood. So before saying also on any video, I need to think twice and use very proper wording so that they don't do something wrong.
Yeah, I think that is important, and I think that is how probably this helps. So I just wanted to get out this question, that how does this help you foresee? And you mentioned about the time cycle.
And predominantly it also, the best part is this foreseeing of the future. This gives me us very good edge. What I have been using for last 4, 5, 6 years is identifying the sectors. Because as I understand from you that you are not very much into stock market, but there the greater audience maybe, so they know about the sectors. They know about the sectors. The stock market is more about sectors. If you leave aside that Nifty index and all this, it is more about the sectors, because this is again a zero sum game. So money is going to be invested in the stock market. So now it, मतलब 10 साल में शायद 4 महीने ऐसे होते हैं कि सब कुछ गिरता है, बट अदरवाइज क्या होता है, कुछ गिरता है, कुछ बढ़ता है, कुछ गिरता है, कुछ बढ़ता है, कुछ कंटिन्यूअसली बढ़ता चला जाता है, कुछ कंटिन्यूअसली गिरता चला जाता है, years and ages. Why? Yeah. This gives me a very good edge.
That is also a time cycle.
हाँ, कि कौन सा सेक्टर बढ़ने वाला है. Say for example, metals. हाँ, metals बढ़ने वाला है, तो people who know me anywhere means distinctly भी अगर मेरे को जानते हैं, तो last year was since February, March, even before the crash, I was shouting, I was howling, literally I was going door to door and saying, please buy metal stocks. And probably 1 or 2 were named, like SAIL at 20 rupees, Jindal Steel at 70 rupees. I was like begging, please buy this, please buy this. They have all gone 5 times from there in 1 year. Less than 1 year, those are 5 times as on date. 5 times. Nifty is only double. Nifty is only double. As we said, Nifty is close to double.
Correct.
This sector and these stocks are trading at 5 times what it were 1 year back. Wow. And this gives an edge where I can decide that invest in this sector, which I see probably down the line 5 years, 7 years, 10 years. This is going to be the sector.
Yeah. In thing. This is going to be the in thing.
The people will start talking about that sector probably 2 years down the line, when probably it comes. And this is how it happens in market. Initially, no one invests. Then the smart money comes into. Then after good run up, then the retail investors come, then they get stuck, and that is a big time cycle of consolidation. Few earn, few lose, few earn, few lose, and then the euphoria stage where all chips are in, everyone is an investor, everyone has invested, and then the crash comes. So this is the very, very predominant. This is the time cycle. Like 2002, what was 2000 crash? 2000 crash was all in the information technology.
Internet crash.
So we Y2K or whatever. So this global fraternity, I am asking one question. Tell me 5 company names which were the darling of 2000s. No one will be able to do that.
Yahoo.
सर याहू तो था, मैं इंडिया की बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं इंडिया की बात। इंडिया में आप 5 शेयर नहीं बता सकते हो, और 5 शेयर तो छोड़ दो, टॉप के 10 शेयर में सिर्फ 2 आज एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, बाकी 8 एग्जिस्ट भी नहीं करते. They are all not even listed. Once they were trading at probably 2,500 rupees a share, and today they are not existing. Now come down to 2008, 2010. Was an era of real estate and infrastructure. All real estate stocks, real estate and infrastructure stocks, means any company will find pride. Like in 2000, what used to happen? Any company will find pride in announcing that we also have a software division. Or you will change your company name and put something related to IT, software, something like that, so that your valuation suddenly, public interest starts accumulating. No one will understand कि actually company चड्डी बनियान बनाता है, but इसमें software, हाँ कुछ भी एक हाईटेक भी लिख दिया ना, तो वो हाईटेक के नाम से चल जाएगा. Same happened in 2008 to 2010. Any company, be it whatever, वो उसमें real estate add करके, even best of companies, blue chip companies like best of companies, say for example Grasim, they started disclosing we have got so much of land bank, because real estate चल रहा था ना, सबको real estate valuations unlock दिख रहा था कि अरे real estate, तो बड़ी अच्छी कंपनियां डिस्क्लोज करना चालू कर दी कि सर, तो ये लोग आके बोलते थे सर उसके पास ना इतना रियल एस्टेट है, कभी वो अनलॉक करेगा ना तो वो 5000 करोड़ का बन जाएगा और कंपनी का वैल्यूएशन तो 500 करोड़ है. क्या हुआ रियल एस्टेट? आप मेरे को बताओ, आज एक डीएलएफ को छोड़ के उस समय की कंपनी, आप एक काम करो, सिर्फ 10 साल पुराना बात है, आप एनी स्टॉक मार्केट वाले के पास जाके पूछो कि उस समय के टॉप 10 रियल एस्टेट और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कंपनी का नाम बताएं, वो एक डीएलएफ बता पाएगा, और बाकी मजा का बात, दे अगेन आर नॉन एग्जिस्टेंट। सिर्फ 10 साल पुरानी बात कर रहा हूं, सिर्फ 10 साल पुरानी बात कर रहा हूं। 20 साल पहले आईटी साफ हुआ, 10 साल पहले रियल एस्टेट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर साफ हुआ, और आज के दिन में कंपनी एग्जिस्ट भी नहीं करती हैं। अब आपका ये काम है ये पता लगाना कि अब आने वाले 10 साल में ऐसा कौन सा सेक्टर है जो एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेगी।
हो सकता है, या आई मीन दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग।
हो नहीं सकता है, होगा
अगर
होगा। आप 10 साल बाद या 8 साल बाद, क्यों 5 साल बाद का भी कैलेंडर अलर्ट डाल के रखो, और हम और आप यहीं रहेंगे, और देन वी विल डिस्कस कि डार्लिंग सेक्टर अगेन इज नॉट एग्जिस्टिंग।
वाओ, एंड दिस इज व्हाट GAN हेल्प्स यू टू स्टडी। दिस
इज सेक्टर का भी टाइम साइकिल है ना, इंसान का टाइम साइकिल है। वो जवान होता है, पैदा होता है, जवान होता है, पहले बालक होता है, फिर जवान होता है, फिर बुढ़ा होता है, फिर बीमारी लगा तो ठीक, नहीं तो अचानक से मर जाता है। तो हर इंडस्ट्री का भी टाइम साइकिल होता है सर। वो भी तो नेसेंट स्टेज में, आईटी भी नेसेंट स्टेज पे था, फिर बड़ा हुआ उसका आईटी, बिकॉज वो ऐसा सेक्टर है, उसका वो टाइम साइकिल बहुत छोटा था। वो टाइम साइकिल तो इंसेक्ट्स का भी होता है ना सर। आप कोई ब्लू व्हेल है, वो 500 साल जिंदा रहेगी, और वो इंसेक्ट जो रात को है, वो रात को पैदा होता है, सुबह तक मर जाता है। तो इंडस्ट्री का तो ऐसा ही होता है ना, आपको देखना है कि वो इंडस्ट्री का टाइम साइकिल।
वाओ, दिस इज for me it is very different. This is very different.
This is GAN entirely is different. आप जितना आप मतलब आप बैठा लो, और फिर आप जिस लेवल पे, मतलब जितना आप उस पर बात करोगे, उतना एंगल्स निकल जाएंगे। सो GAN लोग फैसिनेट हो जाते हैं, प्राइस, टाइम, और जो चीज सर हमको तो कल क्या होगा पता चल जाएगा, कल किस लेवल पे होगा बाजार पता चल जाएगा। एक्चुअली GAN, दैट इज अ वेरी स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ इट कैन बी यूज्ड, इट हैज अ ह्यूज स्कोप, इट हैज अ ह्यूज एंड ह्यूमंगस स्कोप which gives you an horizon कि आपको आगे करना क्या है, या आपको आगे क्या दिख रहा है। It is not only about the nifty levels, it is also about the complete sector, industry, companies, anything and everything.
Wow, this is something which is so exciting, because I believe when, as you said, when lot of people there is a lot of euphoria around something, or probably there is a lot of excitement around something. Man ke chalo, you said something, the metals became 5 times than what they were, and probably, I'm just stating my view, probably viewers should try and understand that if there is so much euphoria, then maybe it is the actual profit which was going to happen 5 times is done. Maybe it will have one time more.
Exactly.
But it will not be 5 times more. It will not be 5 times more. So that is what probably GAN will help you understand, and maybe it can, for somebody who I think I had a message from somebody that somebody does a lot of fundamental research onto particular, and I believe if this fundamental guy joins hands with the GAN person, he will be able to do.
Absolutely. I'm in touch with lot of these guys, these kind of guys, because मेरे को जो सेक्टर दिखता है, say for example, I'm not naming the sector, but probably one sector, probably again I feel that it is going to be five-fold starting today, maybe next 12 to 18 months. Okay.
Yeah.
So I now start looking for my confident fundamental analyst and start taking fillers.
Yeah.
कि बॉस क्या हो रहा है, कुछ हो सकता है, क्या हो सकता है, and I don't go by any kind of WhatsApp University or Blue Channel media or anything. I have my own research, so I start doing research on those kind of things, though in those lines. Actually, am I getting those kind of fillers? Am I getting those kind of fillers? Is what I'm perceiving or what I'm foreseeing, do I have any kind of background to substantiate it? So I do my research. I do my research something on those lines. Even if I claim that okay, this XYZ industry is going to be a doom now, it is in boom now, and I say it is going to be doom now. So that also research I do. Why? How? Because if I talk, I cannot talk nonsense. It has to be substantiated, because someone will say why. So I should be backing my reasoning. That reasoning can be delayed by a few months, but cannot be. But I should have that confidence that it will not be defied.
Correct.
I don't go absolutely wrong. Like for example, I can share. अभी आपने excitement की बात की. Cryptocurrency when it was born a few years back, and there was
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. So Bitcoin,
Yeah.
the Bitcoin, and it was born, and there was obviously it was something like a very small racket kind of a thing. People were not aware, and people were only talking. I'm talking when it was $1,000 or not even $1,000 a Bitcoin. Today it is probably $60,000 a Bitcoin, but I'm talking about the time when it was a few hundred dollars a Bitcoin.
Correct.
And I was on Twitter, on social media, so I saw a lot of hashtags coming on Twitter, Bitcoins, and BTC was the in thing that time. And so, but parallelly there was an argument that it is not going to sustain because central bankers were against it. Predominantly all the agencies, all the federations, everything, UN and all these were against it. It is for the record. It is there already on the Twitter. I gave a time cycle that this crypto is born on a time cycle where it justifies that this is going to stay.
Wow.
And that was in concurrence with the birth of fiat currency. Try to understand how I linked it and what was my time cycle justifying that we were in that era when it was gold back and silver back currency. Then came the fiat currency. So fiat currency ka jo time cycle hai na, it was resonating with Bitcoin. So that was also hawa. Fiat currency was hawa. Bitcoin super hawa.
Wow.
So I tweeted that this is born in resonation with vibration. If I use some GAN term, it is born with the vibration of that fiat currency. So it is going to stay.
Correct.
So that was also in the air. This is also going to be super air. But उसका birth जो है ना, वो birth कुछ reasoning से हुआ है. So ये ऐसा नहीं है कि ये बरसाती मेंढक है जो मैं आज से कुछ साल पहले की बात कर रहा हूँ. लोग बोलते थे कि ये तो बस कुछ it's a scam. Basically people used to say it is a scam. It is a scam. It is some African scam. I won't name the country. It's some African scam. Some this is scam, uska scam. But I tweeted, no, it is not a scam. It is born with the vibration of a fiat currency. So it is going to stay. And few years down the line, it is the in thing now.
Yeah, true. I mean,
so this is GAN. Actually, this is GAN. This is GAN.
That's what. So probably, it's the more I talk, for all guys who are joining us, they must see. I have gone through these videos on recommendation of Mr. Jhunjhunwala himself. He has given 2 wonderful sessions. I think it was a single session broken up into 2 parts. And I think he has, it's like, how Narendra Modi ji addresses a rally, like how Mr. Jhunjhunwala has spoken for like 2 hours. Really, for somebody like me who was preparing for this session, because trust me, I had actually asked him that you please tell me, how should I prepare for this session? Because I have another 8,500 people, and plus this session might go onto his channel and my channel. And on his channel, there will be all educated,
traders.
People, traders, yes, educated traders who are much more sound than us, and they should not think that I am asking dumb questions. And he recommended me to go through those videos, and those are beautiful videos. Those are available on his YouTube channel. For any one of us who is actually doing any form of stock market activities, trading or whatever, I believe you go through that, and those videos will really help you have some insight. Mr. Jhunjhunwala, before we finish, I told you for 30 minutes, and before, and it's been close to. Yeah, I know it happens with me too. I'm known to exceed time. And before we try to finish, the last thing which I actually wanted to ask you was, for anyone, this is not for doctors, okay? This is for anyone. Let's assume it is me. Let's take me as an example, okay? A new guy who has zero understanding of stock market, who has zero understanding of GAN, okay? Who has no understanding, who looks at the newspaper every day morning, the Google News flashes on your this thing that Sensex is going to open 5% higher and 1% higher, this happened and America threw a bomb on North Korea or something. Okay, how should we learn to use our money wisely, and as people like us who have no knowledge, okay, or probably let's put it very limited knowledge, okay, what are the commonest mistakes which we should not do? If you can touch upon these things, like don't do this mistake ever in your life. For example, this don't listen to your friend कि भाई मुझे कोई tip दे दे, and let's say you invest in that tip wala stock, but that stock is at the top, and then you've invested a substantial sum and it never comes out. So what are those advices which people like us should not
read that book, the book
Yeah.
which is in your hand, this also
Yeah.
talks about operators, this also talks about tipsters, this also
Okay.
talks about blue channels, this also talks about newspapers.
In 1928 he spoke this.
1923
In 1923 he spoke of
he's
this.
talking about operators. He's also talking about what SEBI, we have a watchdog SEBI.
Yeah.
US it is SEC. He's talking about SEC and Reserve Bank of their US also coming out with morning guidelines and evening guidelines and changing the dynamics of the market. So 1923 has mentioned everything.
Wow.
First, the foundation, probably it will be very helpful if someone, as I always say, in all kind of this common platform and talks, please read this book. If
Guys,
you are in market,
the name of the
yes.
book, okay? The Truth of
So
the
if
Stock Tape.
Yeah, if you are in markets anywhere related to trading, investing, anything, please
Yeah.
read this book.
Yeah.
Second, to answer your question in very simple terms, what one should not do or should do is, please manage your risk. Money management and risk management is everything. As I said in one of your questions, discipline.
Yeah.
Discipline is everything. If you go to stock market, listening anyone's, as I said, if you read this book, let me answer you in layman's language. If you go to stock market with 1,000 rupees in your pocket, first and foremost, you must have a clear understanding how much are you ready to lose.
Oh, that's important. Yeah.
So it is not important how much you earn.
Yeah.
The first and foremost, आप जब patient लेते हैं, the moment you take a patient, I think all the doctors in critical care and all the first thing they measure is what is the criticality, chance of survival.
Correct.
तब आप बोल पाते हो कि whether you are ready to operate or not.
बराबर है.
Both my parents are severe cases of brain hemorrhage.
Okay.
And I have passed through that phase where doctors have simply declined that they are not going to touch.
बराबर है.
तो उसके बाद आप रिक्वेस्ट करते हो when you are made to understand this is the risk. सेबी हर जगह बोलती है investing in stock market is subject to risk, but लोग उसको समझते नहीं है. स्टॉक मार्केट से रिलेटेड कोई भी ऐड आता है, चाहे म्यूचुअल फंड का हो, एसआईपी का, उसमें एक कॉमन है, स्टॉक मार्केट इन्वेस्टमेंट इज सब्जेक्ट टू रिस्क.
बराबर है.
तो नहीं बोलती है ना कि सर ये 5 गुना करके देता हूं आपको. अगर वो ये बोल दे कि डबल करता हूं, 5 गुना करता हूं, then it is a chit fund. It is a Ponzi scheme. It is a Ponzi scheme. Let us not take stock market as a Ponzi scheme.
Yeah.
What all of us are looking at a CAGR return, which is a compounded annual growth
rate.
Compounded annual growth rate, which is better than any other investment event. If that seeps into your mind well, you will never be a loser.
Correct.
Or you come to stock market with 1,000 rupees in your pocket, and your mindset should be very clear that you are here to lose this 1,000 rupees today.
True.
That means you have come here as gambling. It is as good as playing horse race, going to a casino or stock market. That means it is same. If you have come and you know very well that you are here to lose this X amount of money, that means stock market is just something which is very near to you or on a phone call away. Otherwise, it is as good as going to casino or a horse race.
Correct.
Or a cricket betting or whatever.
Correct.
Without any kind of justification.
Correct.
So first thing, foremost thing is your risk management. आप किसी के बोलने पे CNBC देखकर भी ट्रेड करो ना, कहीं प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मैं उस चीज पे आपको नहीं बोलता, आप वहां रिस्क डिफाइन कर लो।
बराबर है
कि आपके पास पॉकेट में 1000 रुपया है और आपको 5 रुपया ही लॉस करना है, आप 1000 रुपया का लिए, अगला राइट हुआ रॉन्ग हुआ, आपका रिस्क पैरामीटर डिफाइंड है। इफ योर रिस्क पैरामीटर इज डिफाइंड दैट इफ यू लूज 5 रुपीज यू आर आउट ऑफ इट। उसके बाद उसके बाद जैसे मेरे नाना जी बोला करते थे, उसके बाद उसका बाप दादा भी आकर बोले ना कि रुको, बोला रुकना नहीं है भाई, मेरा पैरामीटर कंप्लीट, माय रिस्क पैरामीटर 5 रुपीज लॉस। नाउ वेदर यू बिकम गॉड और यू डोंट बिकम, congratulations to you and thank you.
Correct.
This no one does actually. This no one does. The day people start doing this and practicing this, that they come to market with a predefined risk management or a risk in mind that, okay, I'm ready to lose this amount of money. People come with 10,000 rupees and the irony is they leave stock market with a loss of 10 lakh rupees.
Oh.
Now you will ask how?
Actually, how?
The 10,000 is theirs. 10,000 chala gaya. They lose 10,000. Then that, the kick comes. Now I have learned actually. I know what was the mistake which I committed. So this time I will not commit that mistake. So they beg, borrow, steal another, or maybe kahin se bhi mil gaya, another 10, 15, 20,000 with a predefined that, okay, this time I know what was the mistake. Again lose that. Now that pressure of 30,000 comes. So they borrow another 1 lakh. Then they 2 lakhs. Then this 3 lakhs. It then becomes, that habitual offender.
Yeah.
When they reach that, as we say, habitual drunkard, habitual gambler, habitual offender, then they become habitual offender. उनके पास option ही नहीं है. And I've got n number of cases. They come with 10,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees of capital, and when they're kicked out of the market, that's the bad term. They're thrown out of market. They will be thrown out of market with at least 100 times of the initial capital they have entered.
My God.
That is the pain which everyone carries back और बदनाम करते हैं stock market.
Yeah.
So your last question was the most apt question. भाई क्या नहीं करने का? हाथ जोड़कर बोलता हूँ, ये मत करना भाई. आप रिस्क जान लो, वो चला जाए ना तो आपकी नींद कम से कम अच्छी होगी. You know that you went to a casino. We all have in our lifeline went to casino with a predefined. हाँ इतना चिप्स है. Okay, बच्चों को भी दे दिया, वाइफ को भी दे दिया, खुद भी बैठ गया, and we come out smiling.
Correct.
We come out very smiling. Okay, we enjoyed.
Yeah.
We use a term. Okay, we enjoyed. We had a great evening, great night, or whatever. Great time.
Yeah, great time.
2 hours. But bottom line, we lost money.
Correct.
Why we use this term? Because we had a mindset that, okay, this is the amount we are ready to lose.
This is the amount. Even if चला गया कोई problem नहीं.
सिंपल. अब मार्केट में भी वैसा डेफिनेशन लेके आओ ना फिर कि चलो इतना चला जाएगा, पर वो उतना जाने के बाद फिर आप रुक जाओ. कैसीनो में हार जाने के बाद सेकंड डे तो आप नहीं जाते हो ना वापस से.
Correct.
कि चलो अब कल वाला पैसा लेके आता हूँ.
There is nothing like that which is possible.
As simple as that.
Yeah.
And Gann has used this term casino, gambling, all in this book.
Wow.
People treat stock market as casino and gambling. That is the reason 99% of the people lose money. As simple as that.
Yeah. No, I think it's amazing. I personally think, that this last 1 hour, 20 minutes, actually, you've exceeded your time, and
I've got another meeting at 8:30, so I'm already late.
And I have unnecessarily asked you many questions on this, but I think what is very important is that, remember, when we always have this line in medicine, that when you are facing a problem, go to a specialist. Okay. So today we were very glad that in a group of medical super specialists, we had a super specialist of the stock market with us. Okay.
No, I've got some experience only.
No. So for us, see, for our level, you are a super specialist, correct? And that's your modesty, that you always consider yourself to be, okay, you are a small trader and all these things, but that's okay. But for our level, it was these were words of wisdom, which I believe if people were to incorporate, one, they will never carry a pain of having lost their fortune in the stock market. Second,
Absolutely.
second, they will know that, okay, if they really want to channel their energies into this, they have some books to refer, they have some guidance to go through. And I've quoted this line, I'm quoting this line which Mr. Junjunwala has tweeted, and that's a very nice line. Don't read this book, okay, study this book. And that's a very very beautiful line. I'm borrowing it from your own tweets, okay,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
I've
I've
subscribed to
referred it
your,
a number of times. Yeah.
yeah, I've subscribed to your Twitter, so I'm borrowing it from there. And the more you study, the more you study this book, you might come up with something which is new. Okay. And in this book, I've also seen that even the guy himself, Mr. W.D. Gann himself, let's say he did 300 trades, even he was wrong 30%,
Yes.
I mean 30 times or some 25 times or something.
Correct.
So
Correct. Correct.
if we did 300 trades, that means 10 to 12% of the time, a guy who is rated as 0.001% of the top notch level, even he was wrong. So I think that was a very important point which Mr. Junjunwala conveyed to us, that if you have not lost the money in the stock market, okay, due to whatever trivial mistake or whatever it was, your lack of experience, let's put it that way, that means you've not you not put your foot into it, something like that. And I think those are very important lessons. I also believe members who are very much profoundly interested, there must be more advanced books to study the timelines and time cycles and how to go through it.
Absolutely.
And I've already mentioned, we've not gone into those details because they are beyond the purview of knowledge of common people like us. So we've not gone into that. But for any member who is deeply interested in such studies, I request you to contact Mr. Junjunwala on his Twitter handle. It's available on Twitter. You can just type his name and you can go through his videos as well as his Twitter. And I'm sure his team will be willing to help you out on that. Okay. And Mr. Junjunwala, I want to tell you one thing. I told you, this is a very interesting topic. I told this to you that even though it is different, it's going to be so different that everybody will like to attend it. Okay. So we had a live audience of 1,800 people watching you.
Oh wow!
Oh,
I could not.
yeah.
I could not see. So wow.
Yeah, it's on the Facebook, and
that is the biggest audience I have ever addressed.
Good. So I'm very happy that so many people.
Yeah, thank you. All thanks to you.
No, it's my job. And by the end of the day, I believe this session is going to be as a keynote session for the next 3 days. So I believe it's going to cross 5,000 views, and I think that itself is a very great thing if people take out time and go through this. So we will stop the live session here, and please, everyone, I want to thank Mr. Junjunwala for taking out so much time on behalf of all the doctors. Thank you so much, Mr. Junjunwala. I'm very sure if people assimilate some words of wisdom, they'll at least not do wrong things. Forget doing the right things. They'll at least not do the wrong things. And, we always have this saying. So let me finish this. We have this saying, an expert is someone who makes you feel that the thing is simple. Okay. And the way in which you spoke today, it proves that you are an expert in this field, because dumb people like me understood it. Okay. So when you should grade me as if Jay understands something, that means you've conveyed it very easily. Or dumb level ka IQ, 45 IQ understood, that means you've explained something very nicely and gracefully. So thank you so much for that. With this, we are finishing the live session. Thank you all the viewers for joining us. And Mr. Junjunwala, I'll just be stopping the session. So I'll just request you to be live for 1 minute more. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.